Hey there, folks! Today, I've got something exciting for you. A step-by-step guide on how to effortlessly scrape valuable data from Google Maps using the latest and greatest Map Scraper version 2.5. In this powerful update, Map Scraper not only extracts business contact information, but now also snags social media links, including those elusive email addresses from Google Maps. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just on the lookout for fresh leads, this video is tailor-made for you. Let's dive in and discover how to harness the full potential of Map Scraper. Step 1. Head over to the Map Scraper website. Step 2. Download Map Scraper. Step 3. Install the tool. Now click on 3 dots at the top right corner. Click on Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. Navigate to the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode, and effortlessly drag and drop the downloaded file onto the Extensions page. Once the tool is installed, log in with your Google account. I already signed in. Step 5. Let the scraping begin. Specify your search criteria, whether it's a media agency in London or any other business. Click the Start Scraping button, and if you're hungry for emails, hit Scrape Google Maps with Email or Scrape Google Maps with emails and social media links. Be patient, scraping might take a bit of time. Crucial reminder: do not close or minimize the browser window while the magic happens. Closing it prematurely cancels the process, and all your hard-earned data goes down the drain. Once scraping is complete, feel free to close or minimize. A quick tip: avoid opening too many tabs. It slows things down. Be patient, especially when scraping emails. Scroll through Google Maps only after you've gathered all the results. And here's the golden rule: download your data. Save it as an Excel file or your preferred format. If you skip this step, you risk losing all your data, and nobody wants to start scraping from scratch next time. So there you have it, an efficient and powerful way to scrape leads from Google Maps. Don't forget to download, like, and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Happy scraping!